My Naija people don bring Ogbonge Bishop news story. My name Nnamdi. Make a sharply yarn on some story wey be say it just happen. The Minister of Works wey be Dave Umahi don come out come talk say God to tell am say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu na him go rule Nigeria for the 8 years. This one come show say he wan leave in position as Minister of Work, wan come become Minister of God. The Lagos State PRO wey be SP Benjamin Hunde don come yarn say the small girl wey be 8 years old Tayo wey the parents forget for inside one commercial bus don come talk say the mama and the papa don come show face to claim the small girl. As him come dey yarn, they come dey thank everybody wey be say dey share this story to make sure say e go reach the parents. One Nigerian businessman wey im name be James Adekpoju don come dey yarn how they take arrest and come even harass am and also torture am for inside Kenya, and na Kenya immigration officers as him come talk so after we be saying he extend im visa on 13th of March 2024 by 2 months more. As him come dey yarn say on 19th of March say na so the Kenya immigration officers come burst enter inside im house, come dey scatter im house, dey search everywhere, come beat am, come even put handcuff for im hand wey make im hand dey come dey even dey comot blood. Come also come even collect im phone, collect im passport as they come dey ask am say make him pay money before they go release all those things give am, if not say they go deport am, but him no come gree. Na so they come throw am take put for inside cell, come dey carry am for one cell to another. But later the day we say they wan deport am take come back Nigeria, na so God come use one UN woman take save am wey make am don come claim all the things dem back.
They come to my house, they say they want to check my paper, they see my paper are okay, they tell me to come to Yanyo house. I am there. The ransom they're asking for, I cannot give them. That's why they have put me on. They tell me to leave the country immediately. The man said he is the law. I am in Kenya legally. I have all my documents. They've been doing it to me. They come to my house.
One US-based Ghanaian couple, they don't jail them because of 2-degree murder. Say because they by their 5-year-old son as they beat the boy, can't even leave the boy, made the boy move by for on top the Long Island. Now this begin happen, and the name of the couple now Villari Owusu and Emmanuel Ade. Plenty people for inside Kebbi State because of hunger where they happen for inside Nigeria. Don't come they find different warehouses them where they go bust to go tiftalize food. As they go bust one government warehouse where they for inside Bayankara area. Now so they can carry all the food items them where they still also can go bust another private warehouse and also some other retail stores. The website people they store their goods for there. Come break all the stores them, come tiftalize all the food items them. We say they for inside the store. One lady don come post this picture of this 27-year-old youth copper. Say because the youth copper boy go knack 15-year-old girl Bekusu, can't even give the girl belle, can't still won't carry the girl to go comot the belle, and this begin happen for inside Abuja. For on top this video where one man can show all the gifts where the bride's family take dash the bride herself during a traditional wedding, and according to wetin the man yarn as him come talk, say na the custom of the people of Umuezuku community wey dey for inside Onitsha Igboeze for Ebonyi State. Say na like this that they do as they come give the bride the plenty things like chair, table, clothes, fridge, and better money wey they dash the bride to use to go start a marital life. As plenty Nigerians they don come dey comment dey talk, say be like say na this kind village na they will go marry, where we say the bride's family go support them well.
This is a traditional marriage in my village, Umuezuku Onitsha. These are the things that will be given to our daughter on her traditional marriage day. This is how we celebrate. We have generators, we have full upholstery.
The Ogbonge Nigerian comedian will be Atoyota Hallelujah Akpobome, aka Alibaba, and wife will be Mrs. Mary don come born set of triplets, will be 3 pikin at once. And Alibaba na announced this story on top in Instagram page on Monday, April 1st, 2024. I think on yarn say they don't even give the children their name, and the names of the children them na Aaron, Alexander, and Andrew. The Deputy Speaker of House of Representatives will be Benjamin Kalu don come out to Conde Yano say that they make every effort to make sure say the indigenous people of Biafra leader will be Nnamdi Kanu go come out from DSS cell. As they call even as the court case they go on, say that they try the political solution will be say it dey very in progress. The Lagos State Calabar Police Command don catch 4 boys there. We say their work na to go dey cut strong heavy light cables there. We say they give people their light for inside Lagos State, and on Monday will be April 1st, 2024. Now they catch them. The Adamawa State Police Command don arrest one man wey name be Roland Raymond, 32 years old. We say they stay for inside Dirty Village, Ganya local government area. As criminal cases wey be say like kidnapping, as I call yan, say one Mr. Alhaji Yahaya Congo and also one Mr. Abraham Paul. They go report to give a call about police. Say Mr. Roland, they threaten them, they call them for phone. Say may they pay 600,000 naira put for your account. If not, say him go kidnap them. Now be small kasala happen as one Ghanaian man will be clothes seller don't come out to call Yano saying Gbola don't vanish. Say na one of his customer touch him. Say na make the Gbola take vanish, and this kasala take happen for inside Ashamin for Ghana. And later he call about police. Will be Ghanaian police don't even rush go there to make sure say they go save the man before people go gather him. They beat him. They brutalize.
So apparently the person when Dick lost me, it is sell shadows, and then somebody came to buy. Somebody came to him that he wanted to buy. What's it? What's that banner say? Charlie, for a shaman here.
The Niger State Calabar Police Command they don't arrest 19-year-old boy wey name be Yakubu Tanko. Say because he go poof by him friend wey be 14-year-old boy come throw him dead body take put for inside safety tank wey be sock away. And Yakubu boss enter inside security tajidun room. Come even use stick take wipe am for head. We make a take by. This will be happen for inside Tundu Fulani area of Mina. Now this will get take happen. The German government don't legalize the recreational cannabis will be Igbo for inside our country, and on Monday, April 1st, 2024, now this law take effect after the German lawmakers then come pass them into law. But as I come here say now only people will be say that they are above 18 years now go feed the collect them, they go they plant. Yes, now Bishop News O'Clock. My name is Nnamdi. Make una enjoy your day.